Welcome to the $100 per month Dividend Machine. This video is about starting your retirement journey with a simple, attainable goal. You don't need $1 million to retire. You need a system that proves success. We're going to show you how to generate just $100 a month in passive dividends to start a snowball that never stops. Forget the overwhelming narrative that retirement requires an initial massive investment or a massive net worth. That belief often stops people before they even start. The goal is $100 a month in passive dividends. This is a crucial milestone. It proves the system works, validates your strategy, and gives you the confidence to scale up. To get you to that $100 a month milestone, I'm sharing 3 Dividend Aristocrat stocks I'd buy today. These companies are the backbone of reliable passive income. Why start with $100? Because small, measurable goals are powerful. They replace fear with action and keep you motivated far longer than a distant, intimidating target. $100 in monthly dividends is achievable, even with modest savings. It's the perfect, tangible goal to kickstart your dividend income machine. The biggest hurdle is the belief that you must be rich to invest. We are shattering that myth by focusing on a reliable stream of income, not just portfolio size. Now, let's talk about the engine that makes this machine run. 2 key financial principles that turn small investments into a sustainable income stream. First, we use the Dividend Reinvestment Plan, or DRIP. This automatically takes the small dividends you earn and uses them to buy more shares, creating a continuous loop of growth. This automatic reinvestment feeds the second principle, compound interest. It's the money-making snowball. Each time you reinvest, your next payout is slightly larger, making the snowball grow faster over time. My first pick is a company known for its rock-solid stability. This Aristocrat has reliably increased its dividend for decades, giving you a strong foundation of dependable income. Stock number 2 provides excellent diversification outside of the first sector, along with a track record of growth that ensures your passive income keeps pace with inflation. Finally, the third Dividend Aristocrat stock offers incredible consistency. This is a must-have for any dividend portfolio looking for highly predictable quarterly payouts. You now have the 3 foundation stocks and the 2 key principles. Let's recap how to set up your $100 a month dividend machine today. First, open a brokerage account that supports fractional shares and offers DRIP. Second, allocate your starting capital across these 3 Aristocrat picks. Third, turn on automatic dividend reinvestment and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Remember, you don't need $1 million to retire. You just need to prove the system works. Start small today, hit that $100 monthly goal, and watch your snowball become an avalanche. Check the description for links to the stock symbols and resources.